Hello everyone and welcome to my review of Finnair Business Class. We are flying from Bangkok all the way to Helsinki on the Airbus A350-900. This was an early morning flight, taking off at 7:20 a.m. I was in seat 3L on the right side. All the window seats, like mine, are the same. They face the exterior of the plane, which is great for privacy. My seat was in the second row. Row 1 is only in the middle. The seat is called the Air Lounge. It has a unique shell design, which means the back doesn't recline. Instead, the seat maximizes comfort and transforms into a full flat bed for sleeping. Look at all this space for your feet. Privacy is great with the tall divider towards the aisle. Next to you, there is a wireless charger. I haven't seen this on any other planes like Qantas or Emirates yet, and it's a great feature. Even when it gets bumpy, my phone stayed safe and charged for when we landed. Right away, the champagne arrived. It was Joseph Perrier Cuvée Royal, served in this beautiful glass from a company called Iittala. The design is inspired by the ice melting in a Finnish river. I really loved this small detail. Our takeoff was at 7:20 a.m. with great views of the runway and the Chao Phraya River. At your seat you get 2 pillows by Marimekko for Finnair, a small one and a big one. You can use the small one for cuddling or when leaning on the side of the Air Lounge, which is perfect for this seat design. You also get a soft Marimekko blanket and a seat pad. Under the seat there is a convenient compartment where you can place your shoes. I love this because you can always reach them, even when the seat is in the full lie flat bed position, in case you need to go to the restroom or grab a snack. And here is the amenity pouch. It also features a timeless Marimekko design, and inside you'll find the eye mask, toothbrush and earplugs. I checked the menu and wine list. I'll show you a picture here. And then saw a cool feature on the entertainment system. It shows you the exact times meals will be served. I've never seen that before on a plane. About 2 hours into the flight, the sky was unusually white at this altitude. Not sure if it is related in any way, but this flight was pretty bumpy. The captain had to turn on the seatbelt sign, so the crew couldn't serve my food right away. Finally, about 2.5 hours after takeoff, my breakfast arrived. A smoked salmon quiche with cold cuts, yogurt and fruit. Unfortunately, the turbulence was so bad that my tea spilled all over the tray. The food was tasty, but it was not as generous as the breakfast I get on Qantas. After breakfast, I tried to sleep. With the bed, the pillows and the blanket, the bed felt very comfortable. Even with that, I only managed to get about 90 minutes of sleep before waking up again. I was hungry, so I walked to the galley and grabbed some fresh fruit like watermelon and papaya, served in that nice glass again. Later, they offer some cold nuts, which I thought was a bit strange to serve now, as I usually get them before the first meal. Since I couldn't sleep, I ordered a cocktail, the Northern Blush. This is Finnair's signature drink, made with gin and lingonberry juice, inspired by Finnish sunsets. It comes pre-mixed in a can, but it was very good. At this stage, we were flying over Turkey, and the mountain views were amazing. Living in Australia now, I really miss seeing big mountains. With about 2 hours to landing, lunch was served. They brought the appetizers, and yes, you get both of the menu options and the main course together on one tray. This makes the service super quick. After that, I got the cheese and the dessert. The entire meal service finished about 90 minutes before we landed. The landing views were impressive, with so many islands surrounding Helsinki. Overall, the Finnair A350 Business Class offers a very private and comfortable way to fly. The Air Lounge seat is unique for resting. And I loved the Finnish design touches like the Iittala glass and Marimekko textiles. Even with some turbulence, it was a great flight. Thank you for watching and let me know if you have any questions about Finnair in the comments.